And God saw all that he had made, and behold, it was very good. Genesis 1:29-31. So is everything that he's given you, when he look at it, he's going to say, that is very good. Or is he going to regret the day that he put you in charge in his family? That is a very good product right there. That product itself is producing the culture, and no one has to tell it what to do. They just live it. Because of the culture, they know the culture. It's about love. It's about looking out for other people. It's about doing what's best for others. It's about being together so we can share and talk about what's going on, so we can edify and build each other up. So when something happens, you know how things impact people. You should be concerned enough to know, I need to know where everybody's at right now. Because this is a crucial time. Because of my concern for the kingdom, I need to know where everyone else is. So what can I do to get to know that? Those are the questions you have to be answering as God unfolds life. Why? Because you're fixing what's wrong. You don't wait till someone decides to commit suicide, then trying to figure out what to do.